What's good, boys? Dennis DeQuan here, the lesbian helper of Route 36. Today, this is just going to be a shorter video. Check it out. I got my motherfucking fat tub of Lard records ordered, and I'm gonna unbox that shit. Yeah. Alright, so check this shit out here. We got the Blastocystia hypercytotoxic predophiliacs wall flag here. Pretty sick. As you can see, we got a motherfucking wall flag of this shit. You love to see it. Now, we got the agonal breathing, bloodthirsty mutilation wall flag. As you can see here. And it is also 110 by 110. Pretty sick, nasty. Now, here's the big one here. What is this logo, you may ask? I know what it is. What do you? Perhaps you don't. Let's open it. Oh my god, it's agonal breathing. It's motherfucking agonal breathing. When you look at that, ain't this sick nasty? And it gets better. Gets better. Look at the back. Bone breaking constriction, baby. Ain't that sick? You already know it's that sick. But, since I opened those, I may as well open these. Check it out. This thing is fucking huge. Look at how big this thing is. It's covering me up. I can use this motherfucker as a blanket. Not that I'm gonna, because I respect agonal breathing. That's sick as fuck. Not folding that shit. And then, let's finish it off with the Blastocystia. These guys I discovered recently, not too long ago. Agonal breathing I discovered a while back, but good old, wait a minute. Gotta go through these stickers and make sure there's nothing nasty in there. Okay, I don't think we can do that one. Man. Sure, we can, before I do that, let's show off this sticker here. A bunch of these are just actual porn, for the most part. So this one is a person sucking some dude off, I think. It's just a bitch sucking dick. This one, I guess we can show off this one. I don't see nothing too bad. So let's show this one off here. That's kind of neat. Personally, I like this one more because it's just, I can't see anything, but that one looks cooler. This one is two individuals. Unfortunately, there are feet involved, so I'm probably going to have to throw this one out. And then this one is, I don't know. But I think I'm going to have to get rid of that one too. And then, you know what, I'm going to show it. It's this motherfucking, it's the Erotic Diary Fantasy Torso Fuck shirt sticker. cool. It's neither here nor there. We gotta get out the Blastocystia wall flag. The good old hypercytotoxic predator philiax. So let's do this. Look at this baby. It's got my man Predator on it. I fucking love Predator. He's one of the sickest dudes ever. And then we're gonna go over here. Ain't that fucking sick? Thank you for your time. Now, I think I'm gonna put these wall flags up at some point. So, that's what I'm gonna do. See you chuds later. Thank you for watching.